Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. The central dramatic conflict in Asif Karinbhoi's plays largely arises from a mythological reconstruction, B. Psychological alienation caused by political violence. C. Romantic idealism, D. Religious symbolism. Right answer is option B. Psychological alienation caused by political violence. Next question. Which play by Asif Karinbhoi deals explicitly with the Indo-Pak conflict? A. Goa, B. Refugee, C. An Experiment with Truth, D. Monsoon. Right answer is option B. Refugee. Next question. The dramatic technique most frequently employed by Asif Karinbhoi is A. Naturalistic realism, B. Expressionism, C. Classical tragedy, D. Absurdist minimalism. Right answer is option B. Expressionism. Next question. Which of the following plays by Girish Karnad explores colonial modernity rather than myth? A. Yayati, B. Yavadana, C. The Dreams of Tipu Sultan, D. Naga Mandala. Right answer is option C. The Dreams of Tipu Sultan. Next question. Which of the following plays by Girish Karnad explores colonial modernity rather than myth? A. Yayati, B. Yavadana, C. The Dreams of Tipu Sultan, D. Naga Mandala. Right answer is option C. The Dreams of Tipu Sultan. Next question. The dramatic structure of the Dreams of Tipu Sultan is based on a linear chronology, B. Dream vision narrative, C. Aristotelian unities, D. Epic fragmentation. Right answer is option B. Dream vision narrative. Next question. Which playwright is associated with the concept of theatre of roots in Indian drama? A. Mahesh Dattani, B. Girish Karnad, C. Badal Siraka, D. Satyadev Dubey. Right answer is option B. Girish Karnad. Next question. Satyadev Dubey's drama is most deeply influenced by A. Greek tragedy, B. Parsi theatre, C. Existential philosophy, D. Marathi folk traditions. Right answer is option C. Existential philosophy. Next question. In Indian English drama, meta theatre is prominently visible in the works of A. Vijay Tendulkar, B. Mahesh Dattani, C. Satyadev Dubey, D. Asif Karinbhoi. Right answer is option C. Satyadev Dubey. Next question. Which play foregrounds the theme of homosexual identity in Indian urban society? A. Tara, B. Dance Like a Man, C. On a Muggy Night in Mumbai, D. 7 Steps Around the Fire. Right answer is option C. On a Muggy Night in Mumbai. Next question. Mahesh Dattani's dramaturgy is closest to which Western dramatic tradition? A. Greek tragedy, B. Elizabethan drama, C. Ibsenite realism, D. Absurd theatre. Right answer is option C. Ibsenite realism. Next question. Which element distinguishes Dance Like a Man from Dattani's other plays? A. Political satire, B. Exploration of artistic patriarchy, C. Mythical symbolism, D. Epic narration. Right answer is option B. Exploration of artistic patriarchy. Next question. In Vijay Tendulkar's drama, power is most often portrayed as a moral authority, B. Institutional violence, C. Spiritual transcendence, D. Historical destiny. Right answer is option B. Institutional violence. Next question. Ghanshiram Kotwal blends historical narrative with a naturalistic realism, B. Folk performance forms, C. Symbolist abstraction, D. Absurdist dialogue. Right answer is option B. Folk performance forms. Next question. Which Indian English dramatist was deeply influenced by Brechtian techniques? A. Badal Siraka, B. Girish Karnad, C. Mahesh Dattani, D. Habib Tanveer. Right answer is option A. Badal Siraka. Next question. The absence of elaborate sets in Badal Sarkar's plays emphasizes a visual spectacle, B. Psychological realism, C. Actor-audience interaction, D. Musical rhythm. Right answer is option C. Actor-audience interaction. Next question. Which play interrogates the marginalization of Hijras within Indian society? A. Tara, B. 7 Steps Around the Fire, C. Kamla, D. Silence. The court is in session. Right answer is option B. 7 Steps Around the Fire. Next question. Which theme marks the transition of Indian English drama into modernism? A. Mythic revivalism, B. Psychological fragmentation, C. Epic heroism, D. Didactic nationalism. Right answer is option B. Psychological fragmentation. Next question. In Tughlaq, the protagonist's failure primarily results from a religious fanaticism, B. Over intellectual idealism, C. Economic mismanagement, D. Colonial pressure. Right answer is option B. Over intellectual idealism. Next question. The influence of absurd theatre in Indian English drama is most indirect because the Indian drama rejects nihilism. B. Social engagement replaces existential void. C. Myth replaces philosophy. D. Language remains poetic. Right answer is option B. Social engagement replaces existential void. Next question. Which period marks the consolidation of Indian English drama as a distinct genre? A. 1930-1940, B. 1947-1960, C. 1960-1980, D. 1980-2000. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.